Ginger may help reduce inflammation in the nasal passages, can help relieve nasal congestion, soothe sore throat and irritation, contains antioxidants that support the immune system, may help improve circulation and overall respiratory comfort. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound, may help reduce sinus inflammation, rich in antioxidants that protect cells from damage, supports a healthy immune response. Citrus fruits, orange, lemon, and grapefruit, excellent source of vitamin C, supports a healthy immune system, rich in antioxidants that help protect the body, may help the body recover from common colds. Honey helps soothe a sore throat, may reduce coughing, has natural antibacterial properties, can provide temporary relief from throat irritation. Note: do not give honey to children under 1 year old. Garlic contains natural antimicrobial compounds, supports the immune system, may help reduce inflammation, may help the body fight common infections. Chili peppers contains capsaicin, which may help thin mucus, can temporarily relieve nasal congestion, may help improve sinus drainage. Warm chicken soup. Warm steam may help open nasal passages, helps thin mucus, making it easier to clear, keeps the body hydrated, provides nutrients that support recovery. Water and herbal tea keeps the body well hydrated, helps thin mucus for easier drainage. Warm herbal tea may soothe irritated nasal passages and the throat, supports overall respiratory health.